Engrave. To carve into a surface. Example: the jeweler engraved the wedding date on the ring. Pry. To open something forcefully or to be nosy. Example: she pried open the stuck jar lid. Rupture. To break or burst suddenly. Example: the pipe ruptured, flooding the room. Forge. To create or form something, often with effort. Example: they forged a strong friendship over time. Speculate. To guess or theorize without full evidence. Example: he speculated that it might rain later. Swat. To hit something, especially insects. Example: she swatted the mosquito with a magazine. Jiggle. To move something slightly and quickly. Example: he jiggled the key to unlock the door. Spot. To notice or see something. Example: she spotted a bird in the tree. Exclaim. To cry out suddenly, often in surprise or excitement. Example: wow, this is amazing, she exclaimed. Chuck. To throw something casually. Example: he chucked the ball into the basket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.